Hi there guys, welcome to Benji's Foods. Today I'm just doing a quick vlog of me going to do some shopping. Now I don't wash the hair, it's locked down, so my hair is really long. However, let's get to it. Thank you. Okay, so I've got some chicken breast and I've got some chicken wings ready for the meat. I'll have to stop off at Lidl to get some bakery stuff. Stuff from here is really good. And raisins, croissants. Okay, so now I'm gonna get some stuff from the Manchester supermarket. Now they've got a good range of Caribbean stuff there, so let's go in and see what they've got. It's been raining, typical. I can't forget this. It's the brown seasoning. Some of the best seasoning that you can have for your curry goat or your curry chicken. And it's the favourite section that I like. It's got everything you need. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
I'm gonna go to this place, get some food, the remaining stuff for some seasonings. Some seasoning, some last minute seasoning. This place has got some bit more selection than the other place, so I'll get some more. Okay, so I'm also gonna get some onion powder. all the spices you need. Also some rice, 20 kg, them big families. Come to this place, I think I'm gonna sell buttermilk. It looks like I'm gonna have to go to a big supermarket to find this, but still seems to be happening here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is gonna finish off the shop and just get some last minute stuff from Tesco. I'm gonna get some buttermilk from there and some just general stuff that I need for the house. Finally be able to find the buttermilk, which I'm gonna add it into ready for the chicken. We got 2 just in case. Fruit juices for me are really nice, especially ones that are not from concentrate. I tend to get apple juice and also clementine juice if I've got it as well. I'm also going to get some extra flour just in case for the toppings, for the breadcrumbs, but also not forgetting the corn flour as well. Okay, so what else I'm going to do, I'm going to make some, I feel like making some actual chicken burgers with these buttermilk chicken. I'm going to get some brioche buns. These are great for burgers. Okay, we're back. Just done my shopping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And yeah, I'll see you very soon. See you later. Here we go, I got my stuff from the shopping. Also got the chicken as well. And the chicken wings. And I've got a milk. Watch the video soon coming out on how to make buttermilk chicken.